Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our dot programming language course. I hope you all are fine. So our chapter 6 has been completed. Now in today's tutorial we are going to see practice exercise of chapter 6. The first question is write a dot program to create a class laptop with properties ID, name, RAM and create three objects of it and print all details. This is simple. Next one is write a dot program to create a class house with properties ID, name and price. Create a constructor of it and create three objects of it. Add them to list and print all details. In this case, we will create a house class and add properties ID, name and price. And then we will create its constructor and pass these values to create objects. After creating three objects, we will add them into a list and finally we will print. The next one is write a dot program to create an enum class for gender male, female and others and print all values. This is also simple. The next one is write a dot program to create a class animal with properties ID, name and color. Create another class called cat and extends it from animal. Add new properties sound in string. Create an object of cat and print all details. This is question related to inheritance. I hope you will solve it. First of all, you need to create class animal with three properties ID, name and ID, name and color. Then create another class cat and extends it from animal and cat will have a extra property sound and then create object of cat and print all details. I hope you will solve it. The next one is write a dot program to create a class camera with private properties ID, brand, color and price. Create a getter and setter to get and set values. Also create three objects of it and print all details. I hope you will solve it. You need to create class camera and then you need to create four properties, private properties with underscore, ID, brand, color and price. I hope you will solve it by using getter and setter. We already discussed about getter and setter. The last one is create an interface called laptop and add a method to it called turn on. Then create a class called Apple Laptop and implement the laptop and print the message Apple Laptop is turned on. Add a factory constructor to Apple Laptop and return the object of Apple Laptop. Instantiate Apple Laptop using the factory constructor and call the turn on the object. This is very important question. So first of all you need to create interface with the keyword abstract class laptop and then you need to add turn on method into it. Then you will create Apple Laptop class and implement with laptop and here inside you need to override method turn on and print message Apple Laptop is turned on inside Apple Laptop class. And then finally you need to add factory constructor to Apple Laptop and return object of Apple Laptop. Then instantiate Apple Laptop using the factory constructor and call the turn on object. This is very simple. I hope you solve it. So kindly take screenshot of this exercise and try to solve all the question. If you face any issue, you can type in comment box or contact me directly on WhatsApp. So I will help you. Okay, good luck.